Luckily, the tropics are quiet, but we'll keep an eye on things, of course, all season long. But our weather here at home has been a bit stormy lately. We've had more showers and storms fire up today. We had a lot the last couple of days, and the trend continues through the weekend. Big storms still impacting Texas once again today through western Louisiana. This area of storms will continue to move to the east-northeast, but as it gets closer to us, they will once again be weakening, just like we saw yesterday. But we will have more spotty showers and rumbles of thunder in the mix today. The storm motion today is south to north, so we're already getting some showers popping up, but not a whole lot. Just some small little showers happening on the North Shore, drifting to the north along I-55 in southern Tangipahoa Parish. A small shower just north of Covington, a tiny little shower moving over Lake Pontchartrain. Also some rain happening in Thibodaux. This thunderstorm is quickly passing by from south to north down the bayou. So quick flash of lightning within this thunderstorm as well. And we could see today with the storms popping up, some brief heavy downpours, some flashes of lightning, and some gusty winds within the storms. But they are going to be hit or miss variety, much like we've been seeing the last couple of days. Not everyone gets in on the action. So here we go with the rest of today. It does not look like we will have as much storm coverage as yesterday, which is good news. But we're still expecting some passing showers and storms at times throughout the rest of the afternoon into the early part of the evening. Tomorrow we'll do this again. I think we'll tack on more storms throughout the course of our day on Friday. The model wants to give us some numerous storms tomorrow in the afternoon and early evening. And same thing tomorrow. Any storms that move through can produce some brief gusty winds and heavier showers and some lightning, of course, as they come through going into tomorrow in the afternoon and evening time frame. Saturday, much of the same. It looks like our weekend does stay on the bit stormy, wetter side as our pattern is pretty unsettled through the next several days. Saturday, it looks like early in the day we'll have a batch of showers and storms come in throughout the morning into the afternoon on Saturday. So we'll have to watch the timing for this Saturday, but plan for some more numerous storms in the forecast for your weekend. Same goes for Sunday on Father's Day. So make sure you download our WWL app so you can see what's going on, how the storms are setting up on your radar. Right now it is 89 degrees. It is very muggy, feels like 102. We've got a mix of sun and clouds, a nice breeze from the southeast, but it's sticky. Temperatures themselves will be in the low 90s, and we'll see those spotty showers and storms today, hit or miss in the afternoon and evening. Our heat index, of course, will be in the triple digits for many of us, so make sure you stay cool and hydrated. You may get lucky and see a cooling shower. If not, make sure you're taking those breaks in the shade or getting some air conditioning if you can, especially if you have to work outside. Tomorrow, pretty similar setup, like I mentioned, hot and muggy, low 90s, scattered rain in the mix tomorrow. Your weekend also hot and muggy, low 90s, partly cloudy skies with scattered showers and storms for Saturday and Sunday. Our chance of rain does stay elevated through the weekend into early next week, around 60 to 70% chance of rain because our upper pattern will be pretty unsettled. We'll have ample moisture in the mix, and we'll have this upper trough that's right over the lower Mississippi River Valley in between two areas of high pressure. That means it's just going to be really conducive for storms to fire up in the coming days through early next week. And also, like I mentioned, no tropical developments expected over the next week. A lot of Saharan dust in the Atlantic Basin. But later next week, we'll have to watch for an area of moisture near Central America to see what it does. Right now, the models, the big European or the big global models, the European and the GFS, not super aggressive on what's going on later next week, but at least it looks like a plume of moisture is going to be moving into eastern Mexico. So we'll have to watch and see what that does. So all eyes on that. But so far over the next week, no tropical worries. Here's that 7 day. It's going to be hot and humid with more storms in the picture.
All right, thanks.